Welcome to Take channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix recycle bin not opening, not responding, or deleted file missing from recycle bin on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So, at first, what you have to do is just simply right-click on your taskbar and then just open up Task Manager. Just expand this. Then from here, under Processes, you have to be on Processes, find Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and click on Restart. This is gonna restart your entire Windows Explorer. And after that, your recycle bin should open. But if that's not your problem, what you have to do is just go ahead and right click on your recycle bin, then just go to show more options, then go to properties. And after you're here, what you have to do is just select local disk C. From here, make sure custom size is selected and make sure it's not selected don't move files to recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted. Make sure it's not selected to that. Then just go to local disk D and do the same thing here as well. Then just click on apply. And then just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.